Hello and welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this super cute cat sitting inside a box. You can use a pen or a pencil. I'm comfortable with both. So for this one I'm using the pen. Let's begin our drawing by starting with the eyes. Because once you get the eyes right, the whole drawing already starts to look cute. First I draw two big round eyes a little bit apart from each other. Make sure they're the same size and shape, not too close and not too far. Now we will draw the eyeball. Inside each eyeball, I draw two small circles, one bigger and one smaller, to show the shine or sparkle in the eyes. These highlights help bring the drawing to life. Now carefully shade the rest of the eye around those circles. I'm using the same pen. Then I gently outline the eyelids, just a soft curve above and below the eyes to make it look more natural. Time to draw the other eye. Make sure both the eyes look the same. Now draw a tiny triangle for the nose right between the eyes. Under the nose, draw a small curve for the mouth. Keep it simple and happy. Now draw two big triangle shaped ears on the top of the head. Make sure they are wide and slightly curved, like just like a real kitten ears. Add a small inner ear line to show some detail inside the ear. Now add little shading inside the ear, small details. Now sketch a small curve under the head for the chest and bit of a body. For the cat's paws, start with two oval shapes, one on each side under the head, and three small lines on each paw to show the toes. Time to draw the cardboard box. Draw a square or rectangle under the kitten. Make sure it looks like kitten is sitting inside. Add the flaps of the box, some straight lines going outward. You can also draw the edges and fold the box to make it look more real. Then add the tail, make it curved and fluffy. You can place it coming out of the box on the right side like this. Time to add some shading and little details. I'm using the same pen for the shading as well. Add some light shading to make it pop around the ears, under the paws and inside the box. Use light strokes for the fur texture and soft shading for the shadow areas. You can also add some grass or a little background if you like. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more cute drawings. If you have any special requests, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.